Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Huawei watch won't turn on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow: charge the watch. Connect the watch to its charger. Leave it to charge for at least 30 minutes. Try turning it on. Force restart the watch. Press and hold the side button for at least 12 seconds. Wait for the watch to reboot. Check for physical damage. Inspect the watch for visible cracks or damage. If damaged, the screen may need repair or replacement. Perform a factory reset. For this purpose, you have to go to Settings, open System and Updates, Reset, Confirm Reset. Contact Huawei Support. Visit Huawei Support Center for assistance. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.